Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm gonna show you an easy way to hide photos and videos from your photos album on an iPhone or iPad. This might be something that you want to do if you show off your photos often and have some more embarrassing things in there that you don't want to pop up randomly. Or another useful tip using this is by taking photos of important documents and hiding them so you always have them if you need them. To get started, open the Photos app. To hide a single item, select it and then tap the Send button on the bottom left. In here, scroll down into the menu and choose Hide. On the next pop-up, choose Hide Photo. This will then hide your photo from the album and move it to the Hidden folder, where I'll show you next. Before I show you that though, if you want to hide multiple items at once, head back to the main album page and choose Select on the top right. Tap the items that you want to hide, and again select the Share button on the bottom. And same as last time, scroll down and choose Hide. To find the hidden folder, go back to the main albums folder or just hit Albums on the bottom. In here, scroll all the way down to the Utilities section and choose Hidden. In here, you'll see the images or videos that you've hidden. If you want to unhide them, just go through the same steps as hiding them and choose Unhide. The items will then be unhidden and put back into place. And finally, if you want to go a step even further, you can hide the hidden folder from the photos completely. Close Photos and open Settings. In here, scroll down and tap Photos. Inside of the Photo Settings menu, you can then turn off Hidden Album, which will hide the album from the Photos app completely. If you ever want to get back to it, just head back into Settings and make it visible again. And that's how you hide photos or videos inside of the Photos app on an iPhone or iPad. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.